Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I made this little crystal holder, and it's very simple, very easy, like the easiest thing you could ever do. And like me, I don't have much space to like put all my crystals, but this is a little space that I have for my favorite crystals that I got recently. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, it's gonna be really simple, really easy. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. I should have made it bigger because I have like more wall space, but for for the meantime, this is perfect right now. But yeah, I love it. So yeah, you're gonna see how I made this. Okay, so I grabbed these little crates from the Dollar Tree, and I think I got 6 of them, and I'm just staining them with some wood stainer. Really easy, you just rub it in and let it dry. It takes a while to dry, so I just let it like a full day to dry completely. And after they're completely dry, you're gonna see there's some patches that aren't completely stained, but that's totally fine. It really doesn't matter. But after they're completely dry, I use some wood glue and use some clips just to keep them in place. And I left these for another full day so they can be like completely dry, so it doesn't like come off out of nowhere when I'm like putting the little drilly thingies. But yeah, just regular Elmer's wood glue worked perfectly. Then I added these little hangy thingies, which I totally forgot what they're called, but it's those backings they use for frames, and I got like a big old pack from Amazon, which there were too many, but I was like, whatever. But yeah, they were kind of hard because they're really small, but I managed to do it. And then I just added some regular nails on the wall, and I did really simple, really. It's the most simple thing you can do. And I just put it on the wall, and it's like ready to add some crystals or whatever you want to add to it. So here are my little crystals that I have currently, and they fit perfectly. I do still have more crystals to add to it, but these are the current ones that I have that I want to add on display. I'm really happy how it came out. Again, you can see some patches that are kind of like missing some wood stain, but I kind of like it that way. It's not perfect or anything like that. You can see some glue in the middle like spilling out, but it's fine. As long as I have a little thing to hang my crystals and display my crystals, and I love it. I love looking at my rocks. I love rocks. It's fun to watch, and yeah, so that's basically it. It's easy. So okay, bye.